everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be doing a BoxyCharm unboxing and trying everything out that is in this box for this month of February. I asked you all a few videos back whether or not a BoxyCharm unboxing try-on video would be something that you all would want to see, and a lot of you said yes, so that is why I'm making this video today. Now, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly makeup subscription. You pay $21 a month and you receive 5 to sometimes 6 full-size products. Very rarely have I received like a deluxe size of a sample of something. Usually they're all full-size products. So if you're a makeup junkie or if you're someone who likes to try out new makeup, this would definitely be for you. Every month has a different theme, so as you open up your box, you get your products here, you get a little card that has the theme on the back. This month's theme for February is Galaxy Glow. And then you get the description of the products and their retail value on the other side. You also occasionally get coupon codes for particular products that are in the box. This month you get 20% off of CoverFX. So if you go on to coverfx.com, you purchase something with this particular code, you get 20% off. So that's a nice little perk if you try what they sent you and you want to perhaps purchase an additional or purchase something else within that brand. You sometimes do get coupon codes. So the first thing that really calls to me within the box is this guy right here. This one is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil, and I believe this just recently launched, like maybe a month ago, a month and a half ago or something. I had my eye on it simply because the concept is just, it's really, really cool. The description of this states that it is a multi-use shimmering cream colors that are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. Suitable for all skin types. So because it is something that you can wear anywhere on your face, like your lids, as a highlight, on the lips, anywhere on the face, that's why I was very, very intrigued. And they have, I believe, like 8 different shades or 8 different colors of this. I have the shade Amethyst, which is this beautiful, beautiful, like purpley pink. So I'm definitely going to try this all over the face, so on the eyes and on the lips, perhaps even as a highlight. We'll see. I'm going to put something together on the eyes real quick since I see that we don't have any kind of eyeshadows in this month's box. I'm going to put an eye look together really quickly before coming back and applying this guy on the eyes. Okay, so now that I have some eyeshadows on the eyes, in case you're wondering, I did use my Modern Renaissance palette to put this together. I just applied a little bit of burnt orange and then followed that with Venetian red. That's all I have on the eyes. So now I'm going to apply some of this onto the lid. I'm going to first apply it with the applicator and then blend it out with a brush, because if you can see, like, that is really, really intense. So you obviously definitely want to blend it out. Unless you want a really intense look, then that's cool too. Wow. Talk about a pop of shimmer. Like, this is intense, but it blends out really, really nicely. I didn't think that it would. I thought it would bunch up because of the glitter in it. But it doesn't. It really blends out nicely. All right, so this is definitely a keeper for me. We're also going to try that on the lips in a little bit. So next from the box, I'm going to grab these right here. These are brushes from Crown. Let's see, I've never tried their brushes. Ooh, they feel pretty soft. So in this trio, in this little trio, you get they don't have a name. Let me see if there's more information on here. Okay, so this is the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set. Use the 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. Finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. So this one I'm definitely going to be using in order to like contour along here. This one I'm not wearing any powder on top. I just have my concealer and my foundation and a little bit of setting powder underneath the eyes. So I'm not really going to use this one. And this one I am definitely going to use on the under eye area. They do feel pretty soft. They feel really soft actually. We'll see how they perform though, especially these two that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be grabbing the contouring brush and some of my bronzer here. Okay. It's actually not a bad brush whatsoever. It's depositing the product exactly where I need it, and it's stiff enough to where it's not going to, you know, move your makeup underneath, but it's definitely going to allow you to blend everything out. So I like that. I really actually like this very much. You know, I think I might actually like this better than the one that I usually use, which is from Luxie. This one is the small contouring brush, the 512. That is what I typically use in order to contour here, but I really like this one. Might have to switch it up every once in a while with this one. So I'm going to be using the eye brush here in a second in order to finish off the eyes, but I'm going to be grabbing another product from the box. The next one that I see is this eyeliner pencil here. So this is a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil that delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. This is pretty dark, but I wouldn't call it jet black. It does glide on very, very smoothly. And then I'll go in with a brush in order to blend it out. Let's just use this one. Although I don't think it blends out as evenly as if you were to use your finger, because I use my finger for these two over here. Like, watch. Like this. And it just blended out a lot more evenly than when I used a brush. So I don't know. I'll have to play with this one. I'm definitely going to be using this along my waterline though for today's look. So I'm simply going to be running this along here. Glides on really smoothly. I like it. I really like it for the waterline. And then I'm going to be grabbing my crown brush, the smallest of the three, and just running some eyeshadow along the bottom. Okay, I like what it did. Because it is flat, it is really nice to get underneath the eye, and it's fluffy enough to where it does blend everything out really nicely. So far I am liking this month's box. The next thing from the box that I see is this big guy right here. This one is from Naked Cosmetics. It is their holographic highlighter palette. With 6 stunning holographic shades, this highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. It's a beautiful palette, I must say that, and it does go well with the shimmering veil that I received along with the box, because I see a similar shade right here, maybe a combo of these two. So I think I'm going to use this one right here in order to highlight with. I like that it's not chunky, it's not glittery, it's a true like just dewy looking highlight. Those are my favorite type of highlights. I don't know how often I would be using this though, because this is just, these colors aren't like your everyday wear type of colors, but I do like the way that it's applying, and I like what it's doing. All right, I like that one, but like I said, I'm not really sure how often I'll reach for this one, but I like the concept. I like how they apply, and individually, they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous, gorgeous shades, but we'll see. Okay, and last in the box is this guy right here. This one is from Seraphine Botanicals. It is a sugar and lemon moisturizing lip buffer. So the actual product is inside, and this is what it looks like. It is a blend of soft sugar crystals within a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest scent. It is made with avocado, apricot, jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butter to help rejuvenate and hydrate dry lips. So definitely a must around this time of year, especially for me. I'm going to scrub my lips with this before applying my lip products. Okay, so you can definitely see the crystals and whatnot. Okay, so it's a lot of oil. It smells really good. It smells like something I definitely want to eat. However, it didn't really do a whole lot of exfoliating because the sugar crystals just were outnumbered by the amount of oil that's in that product. But it does leave your lips feeling really soft. Definitely not mad at it, but I could do with a little bit more sugar crystals and less oil. Okay, so on the lips, I'm going to be applying my Too Faced Spice Baby Cream Lipstick. So yeah, applying that before topping it off with this guy. I'm excited. Let's see. Oh, wow. I'm actually digging it. I didn't think that I would. I thought it might be a little too much, but I'm not upset. I'm not upset. It looks really, really, really nice. It applies very evenly, very smoothly, nicely. It dries down. I really like this shimmer veil. Good job, Cover FX. Good job. Okay, so the grand total for this month's box is $142.98. And all that for just $21. I think it's worth it. I think that this guy alone made the box this month completely worth it for me. The brushes are actually really nice. They performed really well where I used them today. The smoky eye pencil, I don't think it's extreme like jet black, but it does blend out well. This is one that I definitely will have to come back to and mess around with, kind of play with it a little bit more, see whether or not it's worth it. The Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. This one, like I said, it's not something that I see myself reaching for a whole lot, but it's really nice to have that option because the shades within the palette are actually really beautiful. And I guess the last thing, the one that I was like the least impressed by, is this Sugar Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer, just because I really didn't think it was much of a buffer, but it definitely did moisturize my lips. So there was that. So yeah, that completes today's video. Thank you all so much for watching this BoxyCharm unboxing. I will definitely be doing these every single month that I receive this box. I think they are so fun. It is so fun to play with makeup. And when you receive new makeup, you just want to open it all and play with it all. And this is what this video is about. It's just opening everything that came in the box, trying it on, and seeing what worked, what didn't, was it worth it, that kind of thing. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future beauty related videos, product reviews, and also don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I am All Beauty by Sarah with an H on Instagram and All Beauty by Sarah without the H on Snapchat and Twitter. Although I do find myself being a little bit more active on Twitter lately than I had been on Snapchat, just because of the update. It's a little bit hard to get used to. So if you have a question that you want answered relatively quickly, tweet me, definitely add me on Twitter and tweet me your questions, or if you have something that you want me to try next for like a product review, definitely do it on Twitter. That is where I have the least amount of followers, so I will get back to you like quick. All right, quick. I will see it for sure. So yeah, that completes today's video. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye.